Hi everybody, my name is David Barton. I'm a podiatrist and also the co-founder of KDA Limited, a medical device company specializing in anti-pressure technology for pressure-induced wounds, lesions and musculoskeletal injuries. Our technology is called PROmorph. It is a thermoforming custom composite material with integrated electronics and sensors, essentially feeding into the medical wearables field. And this is really addressing the main problems that we see within public and private sectors, such as the NHS and also other private healthcare organizations like Bupa, Spire, and many others. The particular problems that we are addressing are the custom prescriptions market, where we have issues around prescription backlogs in the NHS. With custom orthotics, we could be waiting anywhere between 4 to 12 weeks for a custom prescription. And with them, there can come heavy costs associated with this, ranging from 120 to all the way up to £400 per patient. And this is the best case scenario where we have prescriptions that have been made, given out to third-party manufacturers or manufacturers who are on site. And it could be a translation issue with the prescription, which then leads to further backlogs, and the cycle just repeats. The other issues we're trying to address is the carbon footprint associated with the legacy products that come out of the current legacy ways in which we make custom prescriptions, such as plaster of Paris and CNC milling. And of course, by addressing that, we want to improve the overall green agenda associated with custom prescriptions. In particular, looking at our market, we know as a global statistic that there is about so our global market is worth $5 billion with a growth rate of about 7%. Our main competitors consist of in-house manufacturers and third-party manufacturers such as Dacey's, Langer, LGB, Firefly, just to name a few. The main conditions that we're focusing on in the foot care industry is plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendinopathy, and also tib-boss dysfunction. Our innovation is purely designed to reduce time turnaround with prescriptions, half cost by 50%, and also democratize the manufacturing process so that clinicians can have access to fully made custom prescriptions within multiple settings. And it can do that by integrated electronics and sensors inside the material itself, which can be plugged into any 230-volt mains, and the device can be made in situ of the first appointment and also adjusted during the first appointment, and therefore reducing clinicians' time, raw materials, and just making the whole device a lot greener. It also comes with an analytical app which allows the clinician to upload patient wear data so that they can see tailor treatment plans and also have a risk mitigation tool against litigation in case there is any suing that occurs during the first appointment. Through our business plan, we aim to launch our PROmorph orthotic range during mid-part second quarter of 2026, with a forecasted product revenue of around £30,000 for a soft launch. And we plan to scale this with our current distributors. So for the likes of DLT, which is the second largest podiatry distributor across the UK, who has access to NHS clinicians, we want to utilize that connection and that current distribution link so that we can exploit the PROmorph innovation. And of course, for the future ambitions of PROmorph, we would want to scale this outside the realm of orthotics. We would like to scale it within the casts, splints, braces, and prosthetics arena of healthcare so that we can provide a holistic custom prescription solution for both the public and private sector. Thank you.